Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shirley Cruz, La Classic Queen. I am so happy to be here again. And today I'm going to be making a video where I'm going to be getting ready and I'm going to be answering some questions. Um, I made a video in the past. It was my first YouTube video and it was in Spanish. And I did a Q&A and I answered a lot of questions about myself. A lot of people have been sending me messages and they want to know things about me. They're asking me a lot of questions, so I want to go ahead and make this video where I'm getting ready, and at the same time I want to be talking to you, letting you know a little bit more about myself. So I already put my moisturizing cream and I already did my primer. Okay, so the way I'm going to be applying my makeup today is going to be very natural. The only thing that it's not going to be natural is my lips. I'm going to go with a red lipstick, but I want it more like a natural look on my eyes and the rest of my face. The foundation that I'm going to be using is called Ultra Le Teint. It's by Chanel, and I've been using this foundation for 3 months and I really like the way it looks in my skin. It's from medium to full coverage and I really like it. And the way I'm going to be applying the foundation is going to be with a Chanel brush. It's so much easier for me to apply the foundation with this brush. Okay, you guys, I hope y'all don't say anything about me not having any nails. Every time I make a video, I always have my nails done, but I lost 2 nails, so I decided to take them off and just give my nails a break. And I have an appointment tomorrow to get them done, so on my next video, you will see my long, beautiful nails again. One of the questions that some of my subscribers been asking me is, where am I from? What country? So I speak Spanish, hablo muy bien español, and I was born in Cali, Colombia. Another question that they've been asking me is how long I've been here in the United States. And I came here to the United States when I was a lot younger, and I landed in New York. So I used to live in New York for a while, and I think it's an amazing city. Okay, now what I'm going to be using for my concealer under my eyes is by Born This Way. I like to apply with my finger first, like this, and then I blend it like this. And I go like this all over my face. Let's see, another question, it was, what are my goals for the year 2023? One is to grow my channel, and the second one is that I'm going to be moving to a different state. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and start applying my setting powder. So what I like to do is use a brush like this, and I like to apply it all over my face like this first. And then I got these little sponges in Amazon and I love them. I like it because I like to do this. I don't like to set my under eyes, only right here. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. Um, and I like these colors. They are super cute. So I like to put some right here, on the other side, right here. And then I use this little sponge and put a little bit more powder, and I apply a little bit right here. So what I want to do is do my eyebrows, and what I use is this gel right here. It's a fiber gel, and I like it. It's easy to apply, and because I want to look more natural, this is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my bronzer. And what I like to do is use this bigger brush and put a little bit of setting powder on the brush and kind of blend it a little bit more. Okay, you guys, so the next question is, are you married? No, I am not married. I used to be married, and I've been divorced twice. And if I do get married again, I will not get divorced ever again. So I need to find the right guy for me to get married. Let me go ahead and start doing my eyes. I'm looking for a good, loyal, respectful, hardworking man, because I'm a hardworking woman with great values. And I know that's going to be hard for me to find these days, but we'll see what happens. If it's meant to be for me to get married one day, then it will happen. If it doesn't happen, it's fine. This is perfect for my natural look. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my lipstick, and I'm not going to go natural on my lips. I'm going to use red Anastasia, hope I'm pronouncing it right, and it's called American Doll, and I just love the color. It is so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lips. I think it's so pretty. Okay, so I have another question. If I like to go to clubs, if I like to go out, what do I like to do on my days off? When I'm not working, when I'm free? No, I'm not. I don't like going to clubs. When I was younger, I used to go to clubs all the time, and I used to enjoy going to clubs. Really, what I like to do is be at home. I like to read books, be at home, and just relax. And I do have a lot of friends. Sometimes I like to go out with them to eat, but no, I don't like to go to clubs. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on. Hey you guys, so I'm back. I put my eyelashes on, and I didn't do it in front of the camera, but when I was doing my eyelashes, I put some setting spray in my face. A setting spray that I use is this one right here. My daughter gave it to me for Christmas, and I'm in love with the setting spray. It makes my makeup stay all day long. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see my eyelashes and my makeup, my red lipstick. I hope you like this video and the way I did my makeup. So Before I finish, I have three more questions. One question that I've been getting a lot of messages is what made me decide to be a vegan. So the reason why I decided to become a vegan, it was because of my health. I was 20 pounds overweight. I was dealing with high blood pressure and cholesterol. And so I didn't want to live the rest of my life taking medicine. And I did a lot of research and I started talking to a lot of people that are vegan and they have an amazing healthy lifestyle. And so I decided to give it a try. And since I've been a vegan, I've been so healthy. I went to see the doctor. I no longer have high blood pressure or high cholesterol. So the main reason why I decided to become a vegan, it was because of my health. Another question that they asked me if it was really hard for me to stop eating meat. At the beginning, it was really hard. I've been eating meat since I was a little girl. So every meal, it always included meat, either chicken or beef or fish, some type of meat. So yeah, it was very difficult at the beginning to stop eating meat. But I've been vegan for so long, I don't miss it. I love fruits and I love vegetables and I love the way it makes me feel and how healthy I am. The last question is if I like to travel. Yes, I love to travel. If I had the opportunity to travel once a month, I would definitely do that. Going to different places and learning about different cultures and different type of people, different nationalities, and learning other people's cultures. So yes, I would love to travel. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I had a lot of fun doing it and I hope you liked the way my makeup turned out. And it was so nice being here with you guys. So I will see you guys on my next video. But please, before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really help my channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.